In this video, we are going to install Winjet's fog light kit on a 2010 Toyota Prius. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. OE style clear lens, which comes with chrome reflective housing. They are labeled left and right. They do come with H11 halogen bulbs, which I tend to replace them with LED switchbacks. They are direct replacement for fog lights on a 2010-2011 Toyota Prius. 7.77 inches, 6.43 inches, and 4.5 inches. They are SAE DOT compliant. They do come with housings made of high quality OE grade ABS plastic. Comes with your OE style switch and extension wire, your switch plug. We have your positive, your female plug that goes to your light cable, your ground, and the harness for your switch, and your fog light cables. This is your positive terminal. This is your male plug. This connects to your ground. These are two plugs that connect to one left and one right fog light. This is your fuse, which is 15 amps. And your relay. Comes with screws, zip ties, and a wire tap. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. First, I'm going to remove these two screws to gain access back there. Right, now once you remove the screws, there's this tab right here. You want to push in so you can pull down. This is my other wiring, so ignore that. This will give you access to the firewall. Next, you want to remove that bolt. Okay, you want to remove this by simply lifting up and unclipping in order to remove this. Now you have a screw to remove to get this out. And to remove this panel, you simply pry it towards you, unclipping these. You just pull it towards you. Now we're going to go ahead and install this fog light button up here just by unclipping the back part and pushing this through. So I went ahead and added a piggyback fuse so I can tap into the fuse box with the red wire. This is the new line and this is the old fuse. So I'm going to tap into this 15 amp cigarette fuse. Now I can go ahead and plug the harness. Tapped into the cigarette fuse and grounded right over here. Now let's go ahead and clean up the wiring, and we're going to put the covers back on so we can feed this through the firewall. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the bumper. 1, 2, 3 need to be removed. For these clips, you simply push down until you hear a click, and now you can lift it up. Now you have 5 of these clips to remove using a pry tool. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply take your pry tool, put under, just like that, and lift. Okay, then we have 2 bolts to remove, size 10, that one and that one. Now we're gonna have to remove some bolts. We're gonna do the front 4. These right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's also a clip down the middle. I forgot these here at the end. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6. Okay, we have 2 more clips, one over here and on the other side, right at the end over there. Okay, we're gonna remove this bolt on the fender, and this one right here you can just use a screwdriver and turn it to the side to release. They have these on the other side as well. Now on the driver's side, you want to go ahead and pull this one out so you can disconnect a harness, just like that. And you see this one here, push on this tab and pull it out, unplug it. Now you just pull out the bumper. Now repeat that step on the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and put the fog light together. The fog light to the housing. You want to make sure you grab the right one. Look for the one that's labeled left, and the light that's labeled left. So your housing and your light, make sure they're labeled correctly. 2 of the tabs will go in the bottom here. And you're only going to use 1 screw to screw it up here. Repeat that for the right side. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this. We're going to go ahead and remove this bolt. And go ahead and pry this out. Now to take this out, you have some tabs that you want to release. There we go. Now you take your fog light and place it into place. You want to make sure you have 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs that are aligned. Once you got it locked into place, go ahead and put this back. Just snaps into place. And then go ahead and put that bolt back. Now go ahead and repeat those steps on the other side. Now I just want to go ahead and plan out my wiring. I'm gonna get this one of the fog light harness put on this side, the other one with the red wire or the yellow wire on this side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up with some zip ties. So here's where I placed the ground. I went ahead and zip tied the relay to this wire here, and then zip tied the rest of the wire on top of here. So now I have 2 wires coming out of here. One is your red, which is going to go to the fuse box, and the yellow with the red extension that's going to go through your firewall into the switch. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the bumper back on. Now don't forget to plug this harness back on, and then let's go ahead and put all the bolts back into place. As you can see, I fished the wire through the firewall. Comes out over here, connected to the yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this wiring, and there's the red wire coming out, and here's the red wire. We're gonna go ahead and connect that to the yellow wire. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this fuse tap, and I'm going to tap into my 10 amps hazard, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my fuse puller and pull that out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place the fuse. Just like that. Then I'm gonna place it back into its spot. Then I'm gonna grab the red wire and go ahead and crimp it into place. I forgot to mention, you want to use 15 amps instead of 10. I didn't have 15, so I went ahead and used 20, but you want to use a 15 amp fuse. So in my next video, I am going to change the fog lights into LED switchbacks so they can switch from white fog lights to amber fog lights.
If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.